Hello everybody. It has been a really long time since I've made a YouTube video. The last YouTube video I made, I'm pretty sure I was in college and it was like a day in my life at Purdue University. Since then, I've got my degree. It's right there. And I live on my own. And I'm 23 and I'm navigating my early 20s. So I figured, why not start making videos again? I have the time to do it now, and it's something that I really enjoyed my entire life. So I figured, why not start? So today I'm doing a Sunday reset. A Sunday reset is just where you clean your living space and kind of go through every single room, do a mini deep clean, so that you have a clean house for the rest of the week. Now, this Sunday reset is like a lot because I have to reorganize this bookshelf. I bought some cube organizers to store more of my books because I have 1,000 of them. So I'm gonna show you what my place looks like now, and then after I'm gonna give like an official first apartment tour. So yeah. Warning, because it looks crazy. Again, just not proud, but I will be proud after everything's done. Okay, so for starting in the kitchen, this is what my kitchen looks like. I've got some dishes to do. I do have to reorganize all of these cabinets, but that is just not happening today. I'm gonna start with my kitchen. I always work from back to front, so this is the back of my apartment and then my bedroom is the front. We're gonna step in here, and here's my bathroom. I'm gonna do like a deep apartment tour whenever I finish. Like, clearly that is a mess. So really need to reorganize that and just clean my tub and everything. And then this is my living room. These are my cube organizers, and then some other organizers for the bathroom. And then we're gonna go in here, and this is my bedroom, which is also a huge mess. But again, very excited to start reorganizing everything. So the first thing that I actually need to do for the Sunday reset is my laundry. I have to strip my sheets and go do all of this laundry so that I can have a fresh bed to lay on. So let's go do that. Okay, I just put a load of laundry in, and now it's time to start on the kitchen. I hate doing dishes, so we're gonna do the one thing that I don't like so I can get it over with. Okay, so I finished my dishes, and I also just cleaned the entire sink. I know this looks wild, but you can only do so much with limited space. And I wiped down this side of the counter, and I reorganized my spice rack / tea station. Got my kettle and frother all set up. So now it's time for me to move on to the top of the stove, which I'm gonna vacuum and then wipe down. Okay, so I turned on the big light in my living room because it's now dark outside. And I'm also watching, while I'm cleaning, I'm watching The Bear on Hulu. It's really good. I'm gonna get through my living room, and then right after I finish cleaning off my desk, I'm gonna go vacuum in my bedroom so that I can do that before it's too late. Gonna go pick up the rest of my laundry, do that, and then I'll be done with my reset. I'm hoping to be done by 9, but we'll see. It might be 10:30. No, not 9, 10. I want to be done by 10, but I might be done at 10:30. We'll see. I'm officially done with my Sunday reset. The last thing that I actually have to do is fold all of my laundry, but I can just do that tomorrow. I'm gonna go pick up the rest of my laundry that is in the dryer and then take a shower and go to bed, because I've been doing this for, I think it's coming up on 6 hours. I think I started around 5 and it is almost 11. So thank you so much for watching this video. It's my first one back after a really long hiatus, and I'm excited for the content that is coming. If you want a sneak peek of kind of what I'd like to do with this channel, you should go to my TikTok, because I've been doing this series of documenting me trying to overcome my depression, and I kind of want to translate that over to YouTube with living as a 20-year-old in her early 20s by herself. I appreciate you watching, and if you liked it, you can subscribe or give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.